Police officers responded to Margaret Street in reference to a call about an intoxicated individual yelling profanities at passersby and causing a disturbance in the public area.
Better than me, bitch.
What's going on? Why are you yelling, man?
Because.
Because what? Tell me what happened.
Well, nothing happened.
Why are you yelling?
I'm not yelling.
I can hear it from like a block away.
We're so loud. I
What's
agree.
going on?
It could be loud like that.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Don't walk away from me. Ma'am, do not walk away from me. I'll put you in handcuffs. You guys alright? What happened?
She was trying to bike with
Take
the
care of the
dog.
dog.
Please don't let her have the dog. Please.
Okay.
I might think that the dog needs some water.
Okay. So what's going on? Is that your dog? I'm asking you a question. Is that your dog or not?
I think so.
You think so or it's not? Or you need to call SPCA so they can just take the dog? Is that your dog or not? Ma'am, if you're not gonna answer, I'm gonna call SPCA and they're gonna take the dog. You wanna do that? Let me ask you a question. You wanna do that?
What question are you asking me?
Is that your dog?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so how are you gonna get home?
I'm gonna call Uber like I always do.
Okay, what happened here? Why you start yelling at these people?
The only thing that happened here was they asked me to take their picture. They wanted me to take their picture from here to this part, and I said, okay. I had taken my own picture from this part to that part, and I said, out of 10, 11 of them will exist.
Okay.
Am I free to go?
No, not yet.
What do you mean, no, not yet?
Not yet.
What do you mean, no, not yet? This is public property.
No, it's not. It's actually private property.
This is private, yeah, and I'm friends with private
I
property.
don't care who your friends are.
Okay.
Just stay right here, okay?
For what?
We're investigating disorderly conduct, possible animal abuse, alright?
Animal abuse. Possible animal abuse. That's your reasoning of being right now, eh? Okay. I'm gonna let myself go now.
No, you're not. So
No,
listen,
I'm not.
so
You have
listen,
no right to detain me, my friend.
ma'am, how are you gonna get home?
I'm going to walk the way I always do every
to
night.
College Road? All the way to College Road?
I don't live on College Road, eh?
just
I don't know
told me
where
you-
you came up with College
just
Road.
told me
That's
you
your
live-
decision, not mine. Am I free to go?
Just give me 1 second, alright?
Am I free to
No,
go?
you're not.
Why
Stay
are...
right here.
For what?
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs. Sit down.
For what?
Sit down. For animal
For what?
abuse. Sit down.
For animal abuse?
Yes.
Animal abuse?
Sit down. So listen, officer right there, he's very good with the animals. If you gotta tell me your dog is good, you'll be free to go. Alright?
My dog is good.
Okay, I'm gonna ask him because you're intoxicated.
Hello.
Hi.
So listen, she was yelling on the people for whatever reason. They were worried about the dog,
I
not
wasn't
about
yelling
her.
at anybody.
Okay, well,
If you tell me the dog is fine, she can go home. I don't care.
What's your dog's name?
Melvis.
No.
Elvis with an M.
I like that.
I've retired him. I just got his owner's ashes as of today.
You got his owner's ashes?
Yeah.
What's he got the shirt on for?
He was promoted. We were making a joke. Melvis was promoted salary.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
We're waiting on Vince. Vince is at the gym right over yonder, and I'll just be making myself over that way.
This is your bike?
This is my bicycle. That's correct. Am I free to go?
Alright, you're free to go, man.
Thank you. I thought so.
The officer was advised that the property at 284 Margaret Street had standing authorization, allowing the police department to enforce trespass violations. He informed the subject that she was not authorized to remain in the property and asked her to provide identification so they could complete their law enforcement action and documentation. The subject repeatedly refused to identify herself.
You're not free to leave, ma'am. Let's give Vince your dog's leash, okay? Vince, do you mind taking it?
If she doesn't mind.
If you're gonna keep doing this, you're gonna go in handcuffs.
For what?
Because you're not lawful.
What?
Because you're not allowing us to do our investigation.
What is your investigation?
You're trespassing. We have a trespass sign right here.
Left this property.
Yeah,
doesn't matter.
exactly.
She was still on it. Stop moving.
Let go of me.
Stop moving.
Let your hands go of me right now.
Well, stop moving.
Let your hands go of me
moving.
right now.
Stop moving.
Let your hands go of me.
Okay, we're done.
Let's do this peacefully, please.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Since you don't want to do this peacefully,
Do what peacefully?
let us do our investigation.
What is your investigation?
I already told you.
You have not told me anything.
Walk away. Walk away.
You have not told me anything.
When you said you're holding it.
What's going on right now?
Take a seat. Right here.
I like to stand.
Take a seat.
What?
You're gonna end up in jail.
Let
that's
your
all you
hand.
have to do.
Let go of your hand
That's all
off
you
my
have to
neck.
do. Just-
Let your hand go off
It's
my
on your
neck.
back.
Let your hand go off my neck.
It's on your back.
Let your hand go off my neck.
Okay. Come on.
I'm not calling anybody.
Take a seat. Get in the car.
For what?
Get in the car.
For what?
Get in
What
the
is
car.
going on right now?
Get in the car. Since you want to play the game,
I'm not playing any game.
what's your name? What is your name, ma'am? I'm not going to ask you again. Ma'am, what is your name?
Why? I don't
Okay.
even understand why I'm.
Nope.
Guys, I can put her in my truck right now.
Nope, it's too late.
In a few hours.
It's too late for that. She's going to jail
What is the
for
charge?
resisting. I gave her, we have a trespass sign right there.
Calm down. I know you just
I know.
had a physical interaction.
So I'm trying to explain to you though.
Okay.
We have a trespass sign right there, right?
Okay.
So that gives us legal reasonings to complete an investigation. She's out here causing a scene. We got called out here, right? So, we're trying to do this peacefully, as you saw, right?
Me too.
Which I just needed her name. She wouldn't give it to me. That's all I needed.
That's the dog's. That's the dog's bag. He needs it.
No, that's for like medications
That's
and
for
stuff.
him.
Okay.
Everything that's his.
So
is
it was on her person, okay?
Okay,
So we have
yep. I
to
get it.
search incident to arrest, okay? But as long as it's all like for the dog, cool. We'll hand it off to you. No harm, no foul.
Okay.
But I was giving her lawful commands to do something. She was not complying with these commands. So that goes under Florida statute for resisting or obstructing without violence.
Okay.
She doesn't want to give me her name. She doesn't want to comply with lawful commands.
Okay.
It's straight.
I don't want to argue with you. I just want to point out that resisting arrest is a single charge is
It is.
circular reasoning.
It is.
There's got to be an initial charge
You're
that
right.
she was resisting the arrest for.
Trespassing.
But the only reason she was here is because she was interacting with you guys.
No,
And
we
when
got.
You said
she was here.
stood up
She
and
was here before us.
Okay, but she was willing to leave when you said, and you told her she's not allowed to leave.
Yeah, she was at that time. She's not allowed to leave because we're conducting a lawful investigation. You understand?
I do understand. Can
Okay.
I ask you kindly?
Absolutely. You can ask
you
me something.
kindly to let me put her in my truck.
Nope,
and
it's
she's
too late
gonna
for that.
calm
Sir, are you
down.
able to take care of this dog or we need to call SPC?
No, I'm able to take care of him, but he'll cry all night.
It's okay. It's too late for that though. She made her decision. So I asked you, is she normally like this? What's her like typical demeanor? Like that kind of thing. Just a simple Hey,
I
what is your
understand.
name? That would have sufficed. That's literally all we needed. And then she could have been on her day, about her day, if she would have just complied. But she did not want to comply.
I'm not a lawyer, but not answering your question doesn't constitute for
Look it up.
resisting arrest.
Look it up. Look up resisting without violence. It's like statute 84308, I want to say. Something around the lines of that.
If there is, sorry. If
So there is a lawful
if there
reason.
is an
So there is a
initial
lawful
charge.
there is a lawful reason of us being here. One, we got called to. There's a trespassing sign that gives police authorization to trespass. If she's causing a nuisance, causing a problem here, we don't need the owner's consent. We can trespass on behalf of the owner.
Okay.
It's
And-
right there.
And for what reason?
We don't have to have no loitering, no trespassing. There, she's hanging out here. That's grounds for it, man.
She was waiting to meet me.
Look, I'm not going to keep going back and forth.
I don't want to
with
be
you,
a pain
okay?
in the ass at all. I'm just trying to solve this situation peacefully.
She's already in the back of the car. She made her decision. It's too late for all
You
that.
have the power too to get her out of the car.
It's too late for all that.
But you do have the power to.
Could I? Yeah.
Could.
But she needs to go to jail. At the bottom line, she doesn't want to respect us. That's her fault. All we did was ask for her name. Ask her to comply. Is that too hard to do? If I ask you, hey, what's your name?
I'll give you my name,
Exactly.
but everybody tells me in the whole United States that I'm dumb for doing that because I shouldn't.
Why are you dumb? Because
Because
truth and respectfulness goes a long way between law
That's
enforcement
why
officers.
I do that all the time.
So why is that such a bad thing?
Because all the people say that if they don't present you with a criminal charge, if you didn't commit a crime, you don't have to present your name or your ID.
Yeah,
That's
it
what
was-
everybody
it was
tells
a
you.
trespassing. The crime was trespassing. There's a
Yeah.
sign that says we can trespass anybody without owner's permission. It's literally said right there on that
I
yellow
see
sign.
it. I see it.
Is your husband allowed to take your things with him? Boyfriend? You're not allowed to get out. You're not allowed to. Is your husband allowed to take your stuff with him? Just a yes or a no?
Yes.
Okay. I know.
So if you can take
I don't want you guys to be here for very much longer because we have to get her back out. We have to search her and then we have to transport her to the jail. But I don't want you guys to be here for that because I don't want her to get riled up. You understand? I want to try to do this as peacefully as possible with as low restraint as we can. So, and I think having the dog around will do that.
And again, sir, she will be released tomorrow morning at 9 a.m.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's just gonna spend the night there. But when people calling us and I came here, she was yelling. It's like it's disorderly conduct again. So we can go on and on.
Yeah, it's like, where are those people? I believe it happened, but those
when I
people
came,
left.
they were all here, and they will worry about the dogs. They tell me, officer, please take care of this dog. They were more worried about the dog than her. And then
Well, so they worried about the dog. They didn't complain about her being mean. I mean, it's not a crime to be mean.
All right, step out. We need to search you before we go to the jail. You're gonna get back in the car though. Step out.
What do you mean?
Step
Before I
out.
go to the jail?
You're going to jail tonight. Step out.
For what?
I already told you. Step out.
You didn't tell me anything.
resisting, man. Step out. Charge is just a simple misdemeanor, alright? It's not a big deal. It's not illegal.
It is a big deal.
Well, then you should have just listened.
I listened to
So
everything.
let's remove this. Bag. Is there anything illegal in that bag?
Vince, can you come take this bag?
We have to search it actually first.
That's not how it works.
You're taking me to jail, not letting me go?
Yes, that's exactly what we're doing.
Stop.
Stop moving.
Vince, come take my
Stop
bag
moving.
with my money.
Stop moving.
Vince, come take my
Stop
bag
moving.
with my money.
Stop moving.
You'll get more charges. Stop.
For what? I'm not doing anything.
Search
Moving
that- search
away.
that side.
Do you have anything on you, ma'am?
No.
Take a seat back in here again.
Turn around. Don't turn
Take a
around.
seat. Take a seat. Oh, we got a double.
Vince, come get my fucking
double lock.
fanny pack with my cash before they're twisting my wrist. Vince, come get my fanny pack right here.
Stop.
Vince,
Stop.
beefcake,
Stop.
beefcake, beefcake. My fanny pack is right here. Come get it.
He will come get it.
Vince, please come get my fanny
Get
pack.
inside.
Ma'am, get in the car. I'm not going to ask you again. If you don't get in the car, you're going to get tased.
Get inside.
You're going to get tased if you don't get in the car.
Vince, please come get my
inside.
fanny pack.
Ma'am,
It's
get in
right
the car.
here.
Ma'am, get in the car.
Get inside.
You guys want to can you give me a location, please? All right. Stand up.
Vince, get my fanny pack right here. Please grab it. It's right here.
Get inside.
Get in the car. Easy. You're gonna get more charges. Get in the car.
Go with my hair. Like, go. Why are you grabbing
Okay, get
my
in
hair?
the car.
Why are you grabbing my hair? Why are you grabbing my hair? Vince, grab my fanny pack right there,
I
please.
grabbed it. I got it.
Please grab it.
Stop kicking me.
I'm not
Get
kicking
in the
you.
car.
I am not kicking you. You know I'm not kicking you.
You just did.
No, I didn't. You know I didn't. Quit breaking my toes.
Then get in the car. That's not how.
Oh, you're a supervisor.
He's already coming. He's coming.
Then good. Then chill out. We'll wait until he gets here.
Put your hands.
No.
Supervisor is coming.
Then we'll wait.
Don't kick me, alright?
I'm not kicking you.
You will
Nobody's
be-
kicking
you'll be
you.
pepper sprayed.
Nobody's kicking you. Nobody's kicking
Put
you.
your hands.
We'll wait. We'll wait for him. We'll wait. We'll wait. We're here waiting. All of us are here patiently waiting.
Put your legs inside. Put your legs inside. Since you already did that, you want to do it your tie?
What?
Try to stand the tie?
Yeah.
Because you already
I
started.
did her back. I didn't do a damn thing.
That's supposed to check it.
Okay, get in the car.
You're
Or I'm gonna
tase
tase
me again because you did my
Yes, if
back
you
and
don't
you
get in
didn't
the
do a
car.
damn thing. No, you're waiting on your
I'm-
supervisor. We're waiting
Get
on
in
your
the car.
supervisor. Now you're gonna do my thigh
Get in the
because
car.
you're. No, here
Get
he
in the
is.
car.
There he is, right there.
Get in the car.
No, we're waiting for your supervisor.
Get in the car.
Why are you tasing me when we
Get in
waiting
the
for
car.
your supervisor?
Get in the car.
You're personally tasing
Get in the car.
me.
I will
and it
tase
did-
you again.
And he's
Get in the
right
car.
there. And he's right there.
That's not him.
Okay.
Get in the car.
But we're waiting for him.
No, okay, get in the
But
car.
we're waiting for
Do
him.
not kick me in
But
the
we're-
dick.
I'm not
Get in
kicking
the
you
car.
in the dick.
I'm gonna tase
You're
you.
not gonna. No.
I
You're
will.
not. It didn't work.
Get in the car.
We're waiting on your supervisor.
It's coming.
Okay then.
Okay. That's in my car.
Ma'am, put your legs inside.
But I like what?
Put your legs inside.
Supervisor is coming. We're not gonna go anywhere, don't worry. We need to close this door.
Charges: battery on Leo/firefighter/EMT, assault/threat/intimidation, resist officer with violence, resist/obstruct officer without violence.